Number 1 Highest quality 100% natural and organic pore shrinking anti-acne face mask for women and men, sensitive, dry, oily, combination skin. Our customers said, "I just love this mask. It is very smooth and rinses off easily. My face feels so clean after using this product. My skin is soft even before I put moisturizer on my face after using this. I have noticed diminished acne, and less redness as well. Wonderful product. My husband is even using it and the pores on his nose really do look cleaner and smaller. That is his problem area. I have been using this product daily and couldn't ask for better results." Would you like to find a spa quality face mask does cleansing, moisturizing, toning, treating blemishes, clearing, tightening skin, and does it all with natural and organic ingredients? Deep cleansing, remove blackhead facial mask, natural moisturizer, detox, reduce pores, draw out impurities, acne treatment, even skin tone. Dead Sea Minerals Mud Face Mask remove impurities, fight acnes, shrink pores. Detoxifying, purifying, hydrating, moisturizing and nourishing all in one. Truly the skin saver to restore brightening and youthful skin. Easy to dispense, convenient tube style makes it simple to dispense just the right amount for your facial treatment. As an added benefit, it is easier to keep clean from bacteria so you can use the product longer. Try our Dead Sea Minerals face mask today to get instant results, the perfect gift for yourself and your loved ones. Manufacturer's 100% money back guarantee for orders purchased from us. Top spa quality face cleanser and pore minimizing mask, enriched with powerful healing Dead Sea minerals from Israel. Gentle exfoliation, effectively minimizes and cleanses clogged pores, removes blackheads and dead skin cells. Moisturizing formula with shea butter, aloe vera, argan oil, vitamin C and E, designed to tighten up quickly, draw out impurities, toxins and excess oils without overdrying. Detoxifying, soothing, cleansing, hydrating, toning and refining all in one. Easy to apply. Effortlessly rinse off, professional tube packaging. Keep the product cleaner, not tested on animals, cruelty, fragrance, paraben, additives free, for all skin types, dry, oily, sensitive, delicate, dull, aged, combination, perfect gift. All natural and safe. Our unscented clarifying Dead Sea Mud Mask for face and body is great for daily or weekly use, helps pore reducing and minimizing, soothes redness, reduces and fights acne scars, blemishes, pimples, whiteheads, spots. Discover the secret of younger looking and healthier skin. Let the essential nutrients deep from the Dead Sea bring back that radiant glow, improve skin tone, restore soft, clear, smooth, tighter, brightened, even, balanced complexion and texture. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.